My name is Poonam. I have been practicing since last 3 years, based in Sydney. I have my own practice. There are a couple of practices. I'm working with my husband. He's also a dentist, and we are switching the days between two practices. I was basically interested in mainly the fundamental things, like example occlusion. I was having some issues with my patient's bite, and that's how I found one of my friend recommended this course. So I just joined Dr. Geoff Hall's course. No, this is my first course, and I believe this is the best course. Basically, I wanted to learn the occlusion, and I wanted to start doing alignment of the teeth, braces. So this is why I chose this course, because Geoff is doing both fixed and aligners. So I was more interested with someone who can teach me aligners and plus the fixed orthodontics from the fundamental. This is my first course. I would advise this is the best course if you want to learn from the first basic, and Geoff is the best person to learn for the orthodontics because he is like all and soul into it. He's very lovely guy. He's very communicative, and he's he's just giving us all the answers on the spot within couple of days or within couple of hours time. So if you are stuck somewhere, he's there to help you always. I enjoy almost everything, like coming back here, doing face-to-face conversations, doing treatment planning sessions with Geoff, and yes, treating patient. I hope so, yes. And I am into that, yes. I believe like I am gaining more confidence and starting doing ortho courses, cases with Geoff, with the help of Geoff. Absolutely, yes. Because of the lots of legality issues, plus patient fear, how to deal with the patients if something goes wrong. So you need somebody who can teach you, can mentor you at that time, but you should be confident for yourself as well. No, it's best course.